Do you want to improve the efficiency and stability of your plastering trowel, putty knife, and saw blade production? Choose TATE CNC laser cutting machines. TATE systems are engineered for manufacturers seeking precision, automation, and repeatability. Our automatic laser cutting platform features high-speed linear motion, optimized beam quality, and advanced control algorithms, enabling micron-level accuracy on stainless steel, carbon steel, and alloy materials. With non-contact cutting, TATE machines produce zero burr edges, minimal heat-affected zones, and perfectly clean contours. No molds, punches, or additional tooling are required. One machine supports any blade geometry through digital programming, allowing instant switching between product models. To support continuous production, TATE integrates automatic material feeding, robotic welding modules, and intelligent finishing stations, forming a complete end-to-end production line for blade manufacturing. This system ensures uniform weld penetration, consistent surface quality, high cycle stability, and seamless compatibility with modern MES or factory automation platforms. Trusted by global manufacturers in Germany, the United States, Turkey, Brazil, Japan, and the Middle East, TATE delivers industrial-grade reliability for high-volume operations. To upgrade your manufacturing capability, contact us at info@octate.com.